always know your trend. Wow. So once we're done with this, we're going to apply these basic steps to a live chart. See if we can take some 1, 2, or 3 trades. Know your trend. Number 2 is to identify the cheap zone and the expensive zone. The same, just another word for saying identify support and resistance. So support there is the cheap zone, resistance is the expensive zone. It's the same thing you're saying. And I think I've taught us how to do that. The next one is now making a decision. Are you buying, are you selling, or are you using a pending order and waiting? So that one is very easy. Once you see a hammer on a support, good. If you don't see a hammer or the price is not at the support, you wait. And lastly, apply risk management. Very important. I beg of us. Very, very important.
Please, what do you call the 3?
Huh?
Number 3.
Buy, sell, or wait. So applying risk management happens to be the last one. Apply risk management. So, yes, sir. Even you might not even take profit, but stop loss, very important. There's some trades you might not take profits on. Like you don't want to do a manual take profit, an automatic take profit. You want to be watching it as price begins, so you can move your stop loss, like I explained. But the stop loss is very important.
So one can just put on the stop loss and
Yes, you can put your stop loss. After some time, you move your stop loss. Okay.
Please, can you move your stop loss above entry price?
Yes, sir. You can move your stop loss anywhere.
Stop money your profit.
Yes, you can move your stop loss anywhere. Anywhere. So let's assume you entered. Let's say this is a chart, right? This is a chart. Let's assume that you saw, for example, there was a resistance at this level here, and then price broke that resistance, and then we saw a hammer, for example, around this zone. We saw a hammer here. We took our buy from this point. So you will see a green broken line, Abi. There will be a green broken line here. Then this is your entry. Your stop loss is a red line below here. Because this is now a support. So you are entering here, you are stopping your listing. Now, if price moves from this point to another resistance and breaks that resistance again, price is now here, it has broken the resistance. Use your stop loss that is here, you can remodify it from here and put it here.
Take it down.
So this will now be this is still your entry, but now this is your SL, this is your stop loss. In this way, if price comes back down again, where will it touch first? Which would not affect your account. In fact, if at all you have change, you have some profit because you have profit between here and here. You have secured some profit. Okay, so let me show you something before I move very fast. Let me show you something. Yeah, this is it. Successful trading is what?
70% psychology.
Another word for psychology, or if I want to remove this one and put another one there, is 70% patience. And 30% what?
Trading strategy.
All these things we are doing. All the classes we have been attending since yesterday to today. She's done 30%. Those who are making money in this business are those who have been able to deal with this. Who have this. If you have anybody in this business who tells you that I've used this business to buy a car, to feed my family, blah, 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 look at the person very well. You discover the person has worked on this very well. Patience, psychology, not being greedy. All these things affect the account. You discover that people are very good. Like I used to tell you, I have people, my friend of mine, very close, another friend anyway from Port Harcourt, very good. When it comes to technical analysis, he can dissect the market for you. He can tell you where Euro USD is going in the next 4 months and to get there. But the problem about this man is that he's trading with 50,000 naira as if he's trading with 5 million. Yes. it will enter the trade with a very massive lot size. You know, he's already seen where the price is going to. But you know, before price will get there, price might stall a bit. It doesn't just move with like the textbook movement. It might, you know, and that's in that vein where in that process where it is trying to find balance.
Money will finish.
Money is gone. But it doesn't like using stop loss. If you stop loss is a scam. So all these things is just what I told him eventually was, sir, you need to work on this. Be very patient and you need to work on your greed, you know those things, bring it down. Okay, so please let's take notes. Okay? So let's leave there and let's move to our chart now. So we can apply all these things that I've said so far on the chart. So if you have your phone, please open your chart.